Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making 3 different recipes that I would use if I had a vegan cafe. I love brunch, but as a vegan, I can't really partake in brunch all that often because there's not a lot of options for vegans that are not avocado toast, yogurt bowl, fruit salad, So I feel like these are kind of a good mix of salty and sweet and have a little bit for everybody. So today we're going to be making French toast with chocolate Tahini-tella, our hot agave chicken wrap, Algerian Khabisat, comfort foods, people coming into my cafe, ordering a coffee, an espresso, or a smoothie, or a matcha, sitting at their little table and ordering some brunch with their friends. It would be so cute and fun. And in a way, I'm manifesting. On the menu, we have Algerian Khabisat. This is similar to a potato pancake, and it's made with cauliflower, potatoes, onions, and some spices. So I am shredding my potatoes and my onion. I've never done this with an onion, so it felt a little bit weird, but this is what you're supposed to do. I blanched cauliflower, just kind of steamed it over the stove over boiling water with some salt, and added that into the mix along with some chopped parsley. Using vegan cheese to thicken this up, and also Just Egg is my egg substitute since you do need something to bind it together. Also added flour, mixed it up, and then now I'm just kind of getting it into patty shapes and adding this to some hot oil. Cooked this for a couple minutes on each side and then laid it out to, for the oil to kind of drip off. You can also use a paper towel. This sour cream is really easy. You're just going to do vegan yogurt, some apple cider vinegar, and salt, and then just taste it, to see what it needs. Added this to the khabizat, and then some pickled onion, parsley, and also a squeeze of lemon juice is perfect for this. This is our khabizat, and this was actually pretty easy to make. You just have to prep everything, but once everything is prepped, it's pretty much just mixing it all together and frying it. Let's try this. Yeah. I don't even have any words for this one. It's like perfect. It's the perfect texture. It gets a little bit chewy on the inside and then crispy on the outside. Everything is cooked perfect and nice and soft. So good. I'm going to be using the Impossible chicken nuggets for my chicken, carrots for my bacon. Also got this liquid smoke, which I've always heard of this, but I've just never tried it. This one smells like a barbecue, which I don't really enjoy, but I want it to be more of an authentic bacon type taste. So we're gonna try it. I was hoping for this to be like a hot agave chicken wrap. Hot agave being spin-off of hot honey, which is very popular to put on like pizzas and tacos. Like people put hot honey on everything. And the brand In the Raw does have a hot agave, but I went to the store tonight to try to find it and they didn't have it. So we're gonna improvise instead. I'm gonna do some agave. This one is just from Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna mix it with this buffalo hot sauce. This is our hot agave chicken wrap. This one's pretty messy, but it's really good. I think it can be definitely a little hotter and more full. And maybe I would add rice or like maybe sweet potato to kind of stuff it up a little bit more. But the flavor is definitely there. And I think that a Caesar wrap would be really good with this hot agave chicken and no bacon. Would be also really good. Just know that a wrap will be on the menu. Maybe not this specific one, but this is really good. Who doesn't love a thick French toast? It's sometimes just the best thing to have in the morning, even though it's really probably not nutritionally dense, but it's still good. I haven't fully mastered the French toast. Sometimes the bread is still a little bit soggy for me, so I am trying to get better with it. I did quickly make this sourdough. It only took me like 5 minutes. So I'm dipping my homemade sourdough into my just egg and then into my flour mix, which is just flour, cornstarch, and cinnamon. Then I'm putting this on the pan with butter, vegan butter, and crisping that up. And then I also threw this in the air fryer just to get crispy. In the, what is this thing called? Oh, food processor. Then in the food processor, I'm adding vegan yogurt, tahini, cacao powder, some maple syrup, and when some I mean a little bit more than some. It's kind of a lot, but it's supposed to be a sweet thing. Topped it with whipped cream, strawberries, and it's ready to go. Sourdough French toast with whipped cream, chocolate, Tahini-tella, and strawberries, and some powdered sugar on top. That is good. Even though there's a lot of sugar, it's not overly sweet. I think this would be good as French toast sticks, as you could dip it into the chocolate. That is all of the recipes, all of probably my first things that I would put on a menu. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video and like this style of video, let me know. I had fun filming it, even though it took me, I think, 4.5 hours. And I'm a little bit delusional at this point, but I'll see you in my next video.